Hey everyone, it's a cool evening in the Mojave Desert today. It's a little over 60. So I wanted to do a quick little video here before it gets dark. Today we had a huge rainstorm. It was absolutely incredible. I had to take the wife to Vegas, and I think we left around like 5 o'clock this morning. It was all dark. But anyway, the rain came down. It was just super intense. And the lightning like filled my entire field of view. I don't think I've ever seen lightning quite that intense before. But anyway, the roads were starting to get washed out on the way out. And when I came back from Vegas, you could actually see those giant washes off the side of the highway. They were like raging rivers. And the whole time I've lived out here, I've never seen anything like that. But I'll stop rambling about that. I'm going to hop on the four-wheeler and drive down the road. So if you've seen some of my other videos, here's the other side of my garage. I literally just took the sides off of it yesterday and we got this huge rainstorm. But you can see I got rid of the rocks and added some material here. So this is actually in pretty good shape. I need some more material. I want to level it off. Anyway, let's head on over and start the four-wheeler up. Let's see how well she starts up after literally being drowned outside. Absolutely love this machine. I think, honestly, I don't use it enough, but I think out of, between this and the RZR, I think I actually like the four-wheeler more. Oh, pull the choke out. There we go. Awesome machine. Anyway, I'm going to hop on the four-wheeler and, yeah, let's check out some of this water damage. Oh, no, unfortunately, this is the first thing I noticed already. We got some pretty bad hail today, and, yeah, this vinyl's pretty old on this seat, and it looks like it's punctured through a couple places. So I'm going to have to replace that pretty soon. The seat won't last too long, or get some good old duct tape on there. But yeah, let's go for a ride and check this out. Alrighty, so it looks like This is a part of the road that washed out. This is the same part that washed out. I was thinking about that it's been just about a year, maybe a little longer, but this was the straw that broke the camel's back last year, and I ended up getting the new tractor. And here's another charm of living out here. The dogs are after me. Alrighty, there's still a little bit of daylight left, so I'm going to go up the road and we'll check out some of the other main roads, see what kind of condition they're in. Alrighty, I think that's going to do it for now. There's another beautiful sunset. And over here to the east, we have a beautiful moonrise. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. The road got washed out a little bit. I'll probably fix that up with the tractor tomorrow. But I actually got a ride in, which is good for me. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.